So we're either not getting good contact or that's a bad fuse. Test the probes against each other. Well, let's see if we get the ringer to work. Okay, now try the ringer. Okay, the ringer works.
So that fuse.
We got a bad fuse. So do you have a 400? Yeah, there's a 400 on top.
I think it's 100.
Oh, it's in the wrong box? Oh, it's
No,
100.
And the 250.
You have more?
There's so many things in here. I'm confident. Wait a minute. I moved all this stuff and put it in one place. I found it. It's been my first test of organizing. There wasn't another one down in here.
Okay. Well, we'll keep looking for a 400 amp fuse. If we can go get the car tomorrow, if we have to, we can just get another 400 amp fuse and replace it tomorrow.